Hi, I'm Mike from WindowsLatest.com. Apple's WWDC 2025 is happening right now at Apple Park in Cupertino. And while we usually focus on Windows, there's something I just had to talk about. Apple has introduced a new design language for macOS 26 called Liquid Glass. And if you've ever used Windows Vista or Windows 7, it might look surprisingly familiar. Apple is calling it innovative, but honestly, this liquid glass design looks a lot like Microsoft's Aero Glass from 2006. I'm not just saying that as a Windows fan. If you compare the screenshots of macOS 26 with old images of Vista or Windows 7, you'll notice the same core idea: translucent, glassy effects that give the UI a soft and modern look. Back in the day, Microsoft described Vista's Aero Glass as having see-through windows, smooth gradients, and soft reflections. Sound familiar? Apple says liquid glass is a transparent and blurry material used across toolbars, sidebars, the dock, and even Control Center. Their press release even mentions that it reflects and refracts its surroundings, the exact kind of language Microsoft used for Aero almost 20 years ago. To see just how close they really are, I fired up Windows Vista again, and I've got to say, it still looks great. The interface doesn't feel like something from 2006. It was ahead of its time. The problem back then was performance. Vista was heavy on resources, had compatibility issues, and most PCs just couldn't handle it. Now, to be clear, I'm not accusing Apple of copying, but it's worth pointing out that a lot of what's being called new in 2025 has already been done before by Microsoft. So maybe the real story here isn't about who did it first, but about how far ahead Vista really was. Thanks for watching.